This video in on how to earn $10 and get 2 months free subscription to learn any course of your choice. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel, like and remember to leave your comment below. Get started with 2 months free subscription on Skillshare. Explore your creativity. Join Skillshare today to watch, play, learn, make, and discover. What will you discover? Explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity. What you find just might surprise and inspire you. Get started with 2 months free subscription on Skillshare. Explore your creativity. Join Skillshare today to watch, play, learn, make, and discover. Get classes designed for real life. Move your creative journey forward without putting life on hold. Skillshare helps you find inspiration that fits your routine. On Skillshare, classes are taught by real creators. Skillshare teachers are icons, experts, and industry rock stars excited to share their experience, wisdom, and trusted tools with you. On Skillshare, you can learn from anywhere. Take classes on the go with the Skillshare app. Stream or download to watch on the plane, the subway, or wherever you learn best. List of some of the courses on Skillshare. How to make money while learning on Skillshare. Click on the affiliate. You will earn $10 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. Click on Join for free to become a Skillshare affiliate. Scroll down and click Sign Up Now with the Skillshare campaign. Fill out this form to complete your application. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and comment.